In this video I will show you 3 methods how to see all your stored passwords in Google. If you've ever forgotten your password and need to retrieve it, this guide is for you. In just a few simple steps, you can access all the passwords saved in your Google account using your smartphone. Let's get started. First method. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Google. Scroll down to Password Manager and click on it. Click Google Password Manager. Here, you can see all my saved accounts stored. Let me use my Facebook account to show you example how to see your password. Tap here to view your password. Click here to copy it. Let's go straight to the second method. It's very easy. Make sure you like and share this useful information to your friends and loved ones. Open your browser. I'm using Chrome. And tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and click Settings. Click Password Manager. Follow the same method I used in the first tutorial. Please leave your questions and comments in comments section below. Finally, let's quickly get to the third method. This one is mostly easiest method. Open your browser and type google.com. Click the menu icon at top right hand corner. Scroll down to the Password Manager and click on it. Use your passkey to confirm that if really you. And that's it. Now you know 3 different ways to view all your stored accounts and passwords on Google using your smartphone. Keep your passwords safe and only access them on trusted devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in next videos.